हेलो बच्चों, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मैग्निफिकेशन। इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड लॉन्ग प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। अगर हमारे पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट है ए बी, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग रखा हुआ है, तो इसका आप मैग्निफिकेशन कैसे फाइंड करोगे? इसका मैग्निफिकेशन निकालने का जो तरीका है दैट इज इक्वल टू द माइनस ऑफ मॉड ऑफ u2 माइनस u1 डिवाइडेड बाय, sorry, this is not u2 minus u1, this is your v2 minus v1, right, divided by u2 minus u1, या फिर आप कह सकते हो माइनस ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ इमेज डिवाइडेड बाय लेंथ ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. So we have this formula for longitudinal magnification. This term represent the length of the image and this term represent length of the object. Means there are 2 points, right, A or B. This will be your UA and you have to find corresponding VA, and this is your UB and you have to find corresponding VB. So you will have 2 image distance and 2 object distance, and v2 minus v1 represent length of the image divided by length of the object, and this minus sign is for inverted image, right? So don't get confused due to this minus sign. This minus only represent the image is inverted. Okay, so let us have an example on this concept. We have a concave mirror, so we have this question. There is a 3 centimeter long object AB and we have to find the length of the image. Okay, so first of all consider the point A, right, and UA is your minus 15 centimeter, right, and we have focal length that is your minus 20 centimeter. So using the formula UF divided by U minus F, U is your minus 15 centimeter and the F is your minus 20 centimeter divided by U is your minus 15 minus focal length is your the focal length is your minus 10 centimeter. So put here, make a correction here, minus 10. This is your 150 divided by minus 15 plus 10 minus 5. So from here we have minus 30 centimeter. Similarly UB is at minus 12 centimeter and we have focal length is your minus 10 centimeter. Make correction here, and so VB is equal to the UF divided by U minus F, and the U is your minus 12, focal length is minus 10 divided by U is your minus 12 minus 10. So from here this is your 120 divided by minus 2, and this is your minus 60 centimeter. Okay, so length of the image is equal to the mod of VB minus VA. VB is your minus 60 and VA is your minus 30, right? So we have minus 60 plus 30, that is your minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the image is 30 centimeter. अगर आप इसका रे डायग्राम बनाना चाहें तो VA हमारा है 30 मतलब almost something here A, and the B is your 60, इधर कहीं जा रहे, right, B dash. स्पेस कम है तो मैं इसमें दिखा देता हूँ. ये ऐसा कुछ इमेज का लेंथ बनेगा, राइट. एंड दिस लेंथ इज योर 30 सेंटीमीटर. Image is inverted, so if we ask to find the magnification, that is length of the image divided by length of the object. Length of image is your 30 centimeter and the length of the object is 3 centimeter, so the magnification is minus 10 centimeter. This minus only represent the image is inverted. See, है ना, B is formed in this point and A is formed here, A dash, right. So this is the final solution of this question. Thank you.